Hello, have you been looking for the way to configure this router? This is EW1200g-pro. If you want to enter it on Google, you can use this IP address to configure it. So follow the steps along the way on how you could configure it. It's China Mobile Ruijie Router.
Hello, this is Roncom with I'm going to configure the router. This is EW1200g-pro. Though it's always in Chinese, we are going to configure it as an access point for those who are trying to extend internet. After connecting it into the PC using LAN cable, it will bring this interface automatically. The moment if it doesn't bring it, you have to format it so that it can do that. Then after that, you click continue. Here you click X on the DHCP, you click continue and leave it in the DHCP. Then here you enable the 2.5 GHz and the 5 GHz band. Click OK. You disable the password since the MikroTik is the one which will be giving it internet and firewalls for the passwords and the limitations. Then you put the SSID of the Wi-Fi name, any you want. Then here you put the default password. Always they want a default password. Let's just give it any. Let's just call it Roncom as the password. Then you click next and you wait for it to finish. No need to save. You wait for it to finish this. So when it's done, sometimes it opens a default page for configurations to disable the DHCP server, or sometimes it doesn't bring it. If it doesn't, you check its IP address. It's always behind the router. Then you type it on Google. It's 192.168.110.1. Then you click enter. Here they will ask you the password which you have entered. So you put the password which you entered when you was entering the router. Then you click login. Yes, then it will bring you into another page. This is the page where you will reach. And you have to know, these routers, they bring interfaces, they are configured differently, and yet they have the same interface, the same brand, the same model. I don't know how they change them, but sometimes they are configured differently, yet they look the same. So if you have a different interface, and that's why we are making a lot of videos about these routers, so that you don't be confused and you get a time to differentiate them well. Okay, so after reaching onto this interface, then you click on this where there is this circle. It's for like web. Then you go to LAN ports. Here we want to disable the DHCP server basically. Wi-Fi. After disabling DHCP server, then you save. Nothing else.